So platforms like TikTok and Instagram and even now YouTube Shorts are insanely popular, and all of these apps take advantage of your smartphone to immediately post your content online. However, today's sponsor actually offers an app that has a ton of features for editing cool clips on your phone for you to be able to boost your social media presence with quality stories and shorts. So here we go. So here's going to be the Filmr app, a solution that turns your phone into a full-fledged machine for short-form content. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, this video is sponsored by the folks over at Filmr, who were generous enough to want to collaborate with our channel. And I think that this is going to be a great option for those of you who do want to boost your production quality of your mobile content, since it's extremely easy to use and thank the heavens free of ads. So let me go ahead and tell you more about it. So Filmr is an app that's free to download and offers a lot of functionality right out of the gate. It is going to be a video editing app that lets you implement a ton of different things to really spice up your content. And you can record things using your phone and then just go ahead and import them over to Filmr to start editing from there. Now, what I like the most about this app is that you don't have to go hunting around for assets to include these in your project. Things like music and transitions are very easily accessible after just going ahead and importing the clips that you want to have in your project. And you actually get some transitions that aren't so commonly seen, such as pixelation, prism, and some of the more common ones as well, such as just like dissolve and windows and things like that. But these are just few of many. And as you can see, I currently have about 6 layers of video that I can trim and edit individually to create something pretty cool with the tools that are already at your disposal right here, right in just one spot. And you can also do a music search through the app itself, which gives you access to a whole library of music that you can use in your clips. And I actually decided to go for something just a little bit more funky than I normally would go with. But I think that the transitions here are actually going to help quite a bit in order to convert that into something a lot more cohesive or something that just makes a lot more sense. And another big deal is going to be that you can actually record audio directly onto the app with either the built-in microphone on your phone or an external one. So if you like to use like one of those wireless lavalier setups, for example, then this will be for someone like you. Exactly, it's going to be the perfect solution for you. And then you can just adjust the framing for what you want and even just the aspect ratio in case you want something in 16:9 or something more suited for maybe like portrait style content and things like that. And so in just a few minutes, I went ahead and created something that I think would actually look kind of cool if I went ahead and posted that online. So just remember that this was all done with my phone only, using Filmr and my phone's camera. So yeah, go ahead and check it out.
I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you.
With this app, you can really get creative with your posts and help boost your social media presence, because you'll be the one with the highly edited and more professional content there when everyone else kind of just sticks to the default. Anyone can pick this up and learn it in just a few minutes, which is why I can instantly recommend this to just about anyone that wants to have cooler looking stories and YouTube short clips with everything that you need already in your phone. I really don't think that you need to go out and look anywhere else. So with that said, strongly recommended. And again, I would like to extend a giant thank you to the folks over at Filmr for sponsoring today's video. It was really cool. I think they have a great app, so do make sure to go ahead and download that for your phone. I mean, I myself will be using this quite often, considering that I've been wanting to do some more YouTube shorts. So yeah, I very much hope that you learned something, and I hope that you enjoyed this app. Now go ahead and give it a try. And with that said, I would love to give a very special thanks to all of our patrons, including the tier 3s, of course. Those are going to be Joe Moss, Omar, and Sada Wazal. Thank you so much for all of your support, because it really does go a very long way. And the tier 2s as well, shout out to all of you too. You're going to be shown right here. And don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social media, like my Instagram and my Twitch. But with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you all later. Enjoy.